Hi everyone, today we are unboxing the Health Pro Cold Press Slow Juicer. Make sure to scan the QR code on the packaging to register warranty. At first glance, you'll see a lot of packaging in place to protect your juicer during transit. Bundled between it are two 600 ml containers for collecting juice and pulp. The packaging includes a cap which acts as a juice extracting mouth. The large piece of thermocol protects your juicer during transit. Moving on, completely secured in packaging, you'll find the feeder tube. The squeezing gear, which uses slow juicing technology. The juice filter with the spinning brush. And juice and pulp separator. The juicer comes with a user manual which contains all product related information. It comes with a brush for cleaning. Lastly and securely, as you can see, is the sleek metal motor unit. This is a low noise motor and has an on and reverse function for pulp clearance. Make delicious nutritious juices with the Borosil Health Pro Slow Juicer.